Memorizing the unit circle coordinates is somehow difficult, so the left-hand trick will make everything easy.
The unit circle where r is equal to 1 is used to evaluate trigonometric functions without the use of the calculator.
Remember that the unit circle is only applicable to special angles which have measures 30, 45, and 60 degrees. Also, it can be applicable to angles with reference angles equal to 30, 45, and 60 degrees. In addition, the quadrantal angles such as 0, 90, 180, and 270 degrees can be evaluated using the unit circle. Now all we need is to memorize each of their x and y coordinates. Now take out your left hand and now notice that it pretty much resembles the first quadrant. So we will be using at first the basics or the angles whose measures are on the first quadrant. We will assign values for each fingers on our left hand. 0 degrees for the little finger, 30 degrees for the ring finger, 45 degrees for the middle finger, 60 degrees for the index finger, and for the thumb we have 90 degrees. Using these fingers and our angles, we can generate our x and y coordinates. For the x and y coordinates, we will have the radical sign as our numerator and 2 as our denominator. And by then, all we need to input is inside the radical sign. Example, we have 30 degrees. We take out the ring finger, and then we count the fingers above the 30-degree finger. So that's 3, so we put 3 inside the radical sign, such that we form square root of 3 over 2, and that would be our x coordinate. Next, we count the finger under the 30-degree finger, so that's 1. We put that inside our radical sign, so that would be square root of 1 over 2, or 1/2. And that would be our y coordinate. We count the number of fingers above our marked finger for our x coordinate, and we counted the fingers below it for our y coordinate. So, for the 30 degrees, we have square root of 3 over 2 and 1/2 for our x and y coordinates. Next, we take the middle finger for the 45 degrees. Following the same procedure, we count 2 fingers above the middle finger, write it inside the radical sign all over 2, and that's our x coordinate. There are also 2 fingers below the middle finger, so our y coordinate is square root of 2 over 2. So, the coordinates of 45 degrees are square root of 2 over 2, square root of 2 over 2. The procedure follows for 60 degrees where we take the index finger. There is 1 finger above the index finger, so that's square root of 1 or 1 over 2. So, x coordinate is 1/2. And there are 3 fingers below the index finger, so the y coordinate is square root of 3 over 2. So, the coordinates of 60 degrees are 1/2 and square root of 3 over 2. The trick is also applicable for 0 degrees where we take out the little finger. Notice that 4 fingers are above it, so x coordinate is equal to square root of 4 over 2, so that's 2 over 2 or 1. While notice that there is no finger below the little finger, so that's 0. So square root of 0 over 2, or simply 0. For 90 degrees, we use the thumb. There are no fingers above it, so x coordinate is 0. And there are 4 fingers below the thumb, so y coordinate is equal to square root of 4 over 2, or 2 over 2, or simply 1. So the coordinates of 0 are 1, 0, while 0, 1 are the coordinates for 90 degrees.